Hi, my name is JJ Williams and I'm with Industrial Solutions and Innovation. Today we're going to be taking a look at the RMT Revolution machine tool band saws. The SECO 912 can handle up to 9" by 12". So if you're doing a lot of smaller bore piping or some smaller structural applications, this machine might fit your range a little bit better. A couple of the options that this has to offer is we have a cam lock clamp, so if you're cutting a lot of the same parts over and over again, I'm not having to sit here and adjust my wheel, my clamp for every part. I can quickly clamp it in and unclamp it. We can rotate this from a 45 to a 0 degree back to another 45 degree, so you have that full range of motion as well. Here on our controller we have our start and stop for our cutting. We have our coolant switch so we can turn our coolant off or on. We have our blade speed here for the actual feet per minute at which the blade spins, as well as our feed rate for how fast we're cutting, and we also have our emergency stop button. So now we're ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to tighten down our cam lever so that now whenever we go to cut the next part, we don't have to sit here and mess with the wheel for every single cut. And now we clamp this down, make sure it's nice and snug, and now we're ready to cut. So now we've completed our first cut, so now what we're going to do is we're going to disengage our cam lever, and now we can easily pull out our part, and now you can see we've got a nice clean cut. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to set this back up, and we're going to set it up to do a 45-degree miter cut. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and we're going to raise up our saw, and then we want to come over here to our lever that actually locks down our angle. So we bring this back. And now we can freely move our saw to whatever angle that we would like to cut. And then we also over here we have an angle finder that actually gives you a nice precise cut every single time. So another feature available on this machine is we can actually loosen up this bolt right here, and then we can actually move this entire clamp to the opposite end of the clamp. So there we go. Tighten that back down. So now we have our clamp in position. Now we can put our part back in. Then we can clamp it back down with our cam lock. And now we're ready to cut. you're able to see that we were able to make a nice, clean, straight cut and 45-degree angle miter cut. And I hope you're able to see the benefits of the S-Eco series from RMT. If you have any questions or would like to dive deeper into this system, please feel free to take a look on our website and contact us at isi-llc.com. Thank you for watching.